Welcome to Slovo, which means word by word. I'm Katya, and I believe fluency isn't about memorizing a dictionary. It's about building your language, one block at a time. Here, we break down complex grammar into bite-sized pieces and turn the impossible into your new vocabulary. Let's take the next step together. Slovo za slovo, and you're speaking Russian. Welcome to Slovo za slovo, your step-by-step companion on the journey to mastering the Russian language. Our core philosophy is built on clear progression. We introduce you to language and vocabulary level by level, from beginner A1 to upper intermediate B2. This structured approach ensures a solid foundation before diving into more complex concepts, making the learning process natural, efficient, and rewarding. As you advance, we delve into the deeper layers of the language. For learners aiming for proficiency B2 level, we introduce authentic idioms and advanced phrases that go beyond direct translation. These are the colorful figurative expressions that native speakers use daily, crucial for understanding nuance, humor, and culture. And you are not alone on this path. We believe in the power of innovation. Within the Slovo za slovo ecosystem, you can connect with our specialized AI helper, поможет. Whether you need instant clarity on a new word, more examples of an idiom in context, or even a quick conversation partner, поможет is always available to reinforce your learning and ensure you never feel stuck. Step into the world where language learning is smart.